originally the room I'm stood in now used to be our living room, and where the pillar is, that was where the wall went, and the other side was the kitchen. We've had sliding doors put in to finally appreciate our view properly. We went for the Hockley Super Matte Charcoal handleless range, mainly to create this linear look with horizontal lines. The slab doors are also anti-fingerprint, which is great because we've got a little one. We went for the push-to-open doors on the top just to continue that linear effect, and we also chose not to have any of the appliances up there just to continue that really horizontal look as well. So we went for all integrated appliances. All the appliances that can't be completely hidden are behind the island. We've got the 2 tall units at the end, which is for laundry storage, so we've got the washing machine and the tumble dryer, but on the left-hand side it's been customised so that it's just 1 tall unit. It's all really handy and really practical. We got a larder unit just for more storage. I didn't want many appliances out on the top, so it's allowed us to free some space there and keep them hidden away. We got plinth drawers for extra storage. It's really handy and they're really, really sleek. So we chose to get a breakfast bar because it's really practical from this side for prepping food and entertaining, but also from a practical point of view, we do a lot of work sat the other side on our laptops. We had a small breakfast bar in our last kitchen and we had a waterfall in that as well, and I just loved it, so I really wanted that for this kitchen. So we went with the brushed brass tap because I had to have some brass in the kitchen. I love brass, that's why we've got the brass fixtures as well, so it all just ties in really nicely. One of the things we got, which we didn't really realise we were going to use so much, is the warming drawer, but we've used it every night. It's been really handy. So it's finished now and I'm just delighted. We've got little one here finally, and it's just amazing to actually have her in the kitchen, and everything's just finished and it's all come together perfectly. So.